Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about a topic called time and work. In the time and work, there are so many concepts like chain rule, work and wages, efficiency about a person leaving and joining. In this video, we are going to discuss about a chain rule concept. In the chain rule concept, there are two formulas if the work is given and if the work is not given. If the work is given, then the formula is m1 d1 h1 by w1 is equals to m2 d2 h2 by w2. Here m stands for number of men, d stands for number of days, h stands for number of hours the work done, and w is the work. If the work is not given or the people are doing the same job, then the formula is m1 d1 h1 is equals to the m2 d2 h2. Next, coming to the problems. If 15 men can type 3240 pages in 6 days working 2 hours per day, how many men would be required to type 5400 pages working 4 hours per day for 3 days? In the problem given that M1 is 15, W1 is 3240 and D1 is 6 days and H1 is 2 hours. In the same way, we have to find M2 value and then W2 is given 5400, H2 is 4 hours and then D2 is 3 hours. We know that the formula is M1 D1 H1 by W1 is equals to M2 D2 H2 by W2. So we have to substitute all the above values 15 into 6 into 2 by 3240 is equals to m2 into 4 into 3 by 5400. So here 0 and 0 get cancelled. It is cancelled on a 9 table. 9 6 are 54, right? Next 32, 9 3s are 27, which leaves a remainder 5 and 54. 9 6 are 54. And 6 10s are 6 6 are. 6 2s 12, 4 3s 12 gets cancelled. And here 2 5s are 2 3s are. And 3 1s are 3 5s are. So here in the it is in the denominator section, then it will goes to the numerator section. Then m2 is equals to 5 into 5, which means 25. So 25 men will be required to type 5400 pages working 4 hours per day for 3 days. Next question. 12 examiners or men work 16 hours per day to check 24,000 answer sheet in 18 days. Now 24 examiners would work for how many hours per day to check 36,000 answer sheet in 36 days? Given that how many men are there, the basic formula we have to write m1 d1 h1 by w1 is equals to m2 d2 h2 by w2. So here m is 12 and number of hours are 16, number of days are 18 days by work 24,000 and then m2 is 24 examiners and then 36 days we have to find the h2 value here and the exam seats are 36,000. Here 3 zeros gets cancelled. 6 4s are 6 6 are 6 1s are 6 6 are and then 4 1s 4 3s 12 and then 6 1s are 6 3s are 18. Next it's cancelled out by 3 1s 3 8s 8 1s 8 2s. Hence the number of hours 3 2s are 6. H2 is 6 hours. So 24 examiners would work for 6 hours per day to check 36,000 answer sheet in 36 days. That's the answer. Let's see some another problem here. Next, a certain number of men can complete a piece of work in 180 days. If there are 30 men less, it will take 20 days more for the work to be completed. How many men were there originally? So in the given problem, a certain number of men can complete a work in 180 days. So men into days is equals to the 30 men or less. 30 men less means original men minus 30 into 20 days more. That is 20. So in this problem, by solving this, we can get the answer easily. 180 men is equals to m20 minus 3 to 600. So 180m minus 20m is 160m is equals to 600. Here 0 0 get cancelled. 2 8s 2 30s. And what the hell? Oh, sorry. Here 20 days more. 20 days more means we have to add 180 plus 20. So here we can get 200 days. So if the 30 men less, it will take 20 days more, not 20 days. It will take 20 days more means it is 200 days. So m into 200, m 200 minus 36,000 here. So 200 minus 180 is 20. 20 men is 6,000. So 0 0 get cancelled. 2 ones, 2 threes. So the original men are 300 men. So 300 men were required to complete a piece of work in 180 days. So that's it. Next one. 3 pumps working 8 hours per day can empty a tank in 2 days. How many hours a day must 4 pumps work to empty the tank in 1 day? So here the work is same. So we have to use the second formula. M1 D1 H1 is equals to M2 D2 H2. Here instead of men, we have to take pipes. 3 into working 8 hours per 2 days is equals to 4 pumps into number of days 1 day into how many hours, we have to find the number of hours. 4 ones, 4 twos, and then 2 twos 4, 4 threes 12. So H2 is 12 hours. So by 12 hours 4 pumps can empty a tank in 12 hours. Next question. 36 men 36 men can complete a piece of work in 18 days. In how many days 27 men complete the work in same days? Here only men and days are given. So we have to eliminate hours. So what are the men given? 36 into D1 means 18 days, and then M2 here 27, and we have to find the number of days the 27 men can complete the work. So here it is cancelled out by 3 table. 3 nines 27, 3 6 18, and 3 threes 3 twos, 3 ones, 3 12s. So number of days 12 into 2 is 24 days. So it will take 24 days that 27 men will complete the work. Thank you.